Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Novel AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in novelai.net and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Novel AI website, from which first of all click on the login button at the top right corner and use your credentials to sign into your account. Now after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into your dashboard. Now if you don't see these menus, you will see the expand button at the top left corner. So click on this and now you will find other settings. Click on the gear icon, which will take you into your user settings page. Now if you wish to change your password, click on account from the user settings page, and then underneath your password you can click on the change button at the right side and you will be asked to enter your desired new password. Just go ahead and type in your current email address first, followed by your current password. Then enter your desired new password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Finally, click on the save button and then your new password will immediately be changed. You may sometimes be asked to verify your identity by entering the verification code sent to your email address. So go ahead and enter the code by logging into your email address and your password will directly be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Novel AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.